Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a 2019 Mercedes GLA 220d in bright red, privacy glass, alley wheels, rear camera, very clean car. Side airbags, cream leather seats. These bits will move out to give you, if you've got longer legs or whatever, all your instruction manuals there in the glove books. Isofix rear seats. It has power outlet in there. Electric rear windows as well. GLA220d, 4MATIC. Electronic tailgate. This is your camera there. Pops down. Set of proper mats that we're leaving obviously in the vehicle. Huge area there. Locking wheel nut keys. Inflation kit. To shut the tailgate, push this button. The tailgate shuts electronically. Electronic mirrors. This is your lock and unlock button. These light up, these, so you can't really see it today in the daylight, but height of adjustable driver's seat. It has auto lights. This is your start. You push this button to start it. Push button. So it's not keyless entry, but it's keyless start. You have the vehicle key on you. CD player. This is your mapping for your navigation. Turn the radio on. This turns on now. I'll show you around the vehicle inside. Very clean car. Illuminated vanity mirror. Both sides. So now if you can't, I can't see this flickering. As you come away, it gives this flickering, but you don't see that. Radio, media. Just waiting for your phone, basically. This button here controls this screen here. This pocket here with two USBs in here. Drinks holders here. It has these pockets here which are good. This pocket here and a little pocket there for storing stuff. Another power outlet there. Dual climate. Turns it off. Stop start. This selects your whether you want sport, comfort, whatever you want really. Telephone for your Bluetooth. Connect device. Strange this way, this I can't see that at all. Tiptronic if you want to drive manually, plus to minus. $28,881 miles. Push this button, turns the screen off. You can make a telephone call from here. These buttons here as well. Stop start. To turn the vehicle off, you push this button. Sorry, this side. You push this button here. Cruise control, speed limiter. There. That's how you turn the vehicle off. these vents actually. This button here will undo the tailgate, so you haven't got to get out to let anyone in, you can just do it automatically. Thank you for watching. Any questions, please don't hesitate to call.